back to my channel. It is Brittany. In today's video, I just wanted to record an intro because I have so much footage going on. I recorded a clean with me today and a lot of other stuff. But right now I'm about to record my fall decorate with me video for our bedroom. I have never decorated our bedroom for fall or for any holiday, never for a holiday. So our bedroom is very minimal. It is like boho modern, has a lot of warm colors and, you know, natural wood finishes and stuff in it. So I initially had like light colored accent pillows on there. So I'm just changing out the pillows to a darker brown just to give a more moodier vibe for the fall season. I'm going to unbox our new bed bench that we got from Article and just clean up in here a little bit. So I'm going to start off by just getting shoes and stuff off the floor and probably vacuuming and just getting a little bit of stuff off the floor. The bedroom's not that dirty because I did a lot of cleaning last week. So I'm just going to be doing a little bit of cleaning and then that is about it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you haven't watched part 1 and 2, the living room and the kitchen, dining room, and coffee bar, fall decorate with me, go ahead and watch that, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So this is what the bedroom looks like right now. So I had stripped the bed a couple days before and washed the sheets and the pillow covers and everything. And I'm gonna just go ahead and vacuum the floor before I start to make the bed and do some minimal decorating. Now we're going to start to make the bed. This whole decorating process is definitely going to be the most minimal out of the whole fall decorating series because we keep our bedroom very minimal. We don't have a lot of furniture in there. We don't have a whole bunch of stuff, and I like that. And then I got this thing from Amazon recently. It's pretty good. So we noticed a lot of our pillows and glasses and stuff were falling behind the bed. So I got that so they wouldn't fall behind there, and it works very well. But the only thing is the way it's constructed, it's at an angle. So your pillows don't lay flat. And when we're sleeping, we like our pillows to lay flat. So that will be my only critique. It works, but it has like a slope to it. And so I'm just putting this, white comforter that I got from Amazon on the bed. And you actually put this inside a duvet cover, but duvets kind of stress me out, and I know there's hacks out there. I've watched all the TikTok videos on how to do that, but I just prefer to put the white comforter on the bed. This is like I think it's an oversized king comforter. And then I layered this textured quilt on top. I think I saw somebody do that, and I was like, that just looks easier than, you know, wrestling with a duvet. And it adds some more visual interest and texture to your bed. And I love that lightweight quilt, and it's really big. So I just tucked the quilt in at the bottom so you wouldn't see it underneath or like peeking out from the quilt. And then I folded it back so you would still see the comforter underneath there. So now I'm just going to add my king size pillows with the white pillow covers on them. And all these pillow covers came with, I think they came from a set from Target, the Threshold collection, the same as the sheets. And I just have 4 of those king size sleeping pillows, you know, stacked together, 2 on each side. If you watched my fall Amazon haul, I showed you guys these pillow covers that I picked up, and they look so good in here. The ones that I got for the living room, I returned them. No, I actually gave them to my mama, but the ones that I have for the bedroom, they look so good in looks. So I just swapped out my pillow covers to this chocolate brown because I felt like it looked more fall with that deeper brown color. And then I just layered this throw blanket that I got from Target a couple of years ago on there. That's a king size one. And then I recently picked up this chocolate brown throw this season, and it's shorter, so I decided to lay it at an angle instead of, you know, draping it like I have the first one, just to layer and create different, you know, different layers and textures on the bed. And here is the bed bench that we got from Article recently. We've never had a bed bench, but I feel like it completed the bed. So I'm just gonna start off by cleaning the nightstand off. This is my side. I cleaned off Adrian's too. I'm not gonna put any decor on his because he didn't want anything on his except his one candle. So I wiped off my little fan that I have there because I sleep hot. So I wiped that off and I straightened out my lampshade because it gets crooked sometimes. And I added this little faux arrangement that I got from Target this year, and this pumpkin candle that I also got from Target. I think it smells really good. Adrian said it smells good, but he also says it smells like hair grease for some reason. And he'll say that at the end of the video if you guys stay tuned. But this is all I did for fall on the nightstand because I do actually use this, and I put like my water on there. And just to add more fall touches, I added these two large SHERPA pumpkins from Kirkland's at the end of my bed, and I think that is just perfect. This is how you decorate for a minimal room. If you just want to create little moments of fall instead of going all out, this is a way to approach it. So that was the before, and this is the after, and I think this looks so good. And you guys know I'm a colorful person. I like color in my decor and stuff, but for the bedroom this year, it's more on the neutral side, and I really like it too. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed part 3 of my Fall Decorate With Me series. Here are some night views of the bedroom, very cozy and moody. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Bless you. Come on, let's go. We gotta get out of here, okay? That's the new candle. Hair grease? Well, I mean, it's pumpkin. I'm pretty sure it's pumpkin.
Nice. Hey, Coda, are you posing?
So, guys, what do you think about the room?
Oh, it's great. You did an amazing job.
Thank you. Thank you.
What you think?
It's very minimal, but like,
Speak.
that's what it was before. What do you think? Oh,
go.
oh.
There you
Well,
go. You love it? Yeah. Yeah.
Hey,
Good job.
say hey to the people. Good job.
Good job, bud.
Coda, sit. Say bye.